Hi guys, welcome to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today I am going to show you DIY lemongrass. For this you need broomstick, semolina seed, semolina suji and one glue. First of all, you take a broomstick. You have to color this stick green. I'm using arsenic color. If you don't have arsenic color, you can use rongila color also or any other water print. When you are applying the paint it all over the stick. If you are applying with using rongila color or any other watercolor, for better result you put 2 coat. Here I am using arsenic color, it gives better color. I am using 1 coat only. You have to paint it till the bottom. Let this stick dry. You take another stick. I have already painted this one. Now you take a glue, pour in some vessel or some container and take some suji. Now what you will do is you take this stick, you dip the stick into the gum or glue. If you have Fevicol then it will be better. Dip the upper portion only, this much portion only, okay? This much portion. After dipping it, you take the stick and dip it into the semolina seed or suji. Like this. It will automatically get started sticking into the stick. Like this. You have to dip it till the stick is filled with semolina seed. Like this. Let this dry. You take a brush, take one paint. For this you need yellow arsenic paint. Now put color in this semolina seed. Like this. Let it dry. I have already made lemongrass. You have to make many. And this is my base. And this is my DIY base only. I'm going to insert it. It will look like this. If you like my ideas, please go and subscribe my channels.